my dear students. Welcome to the fourth session on English online tutorial with me, Dr. Risa Mufler, CMPD, as your tutor. So this week, you are going to learn about different kinds of business letters. You can find this week's topics in Module 4, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kind of business writing and write a business letter accurately and approximately. So please study the materials and enrichment on the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 4 and don't forget to submit the assignment 1 if you haven't. Good luck, class.